Okay, so what we're going to be looking at now is how to use the indexof function, which returns positions of substrings within a string. So a substring is a smaller string that has come from a larger string. We're going to start by declaring a string, and I'm going to call this haystack. Whenever you search online for examples of string functions, most string functions are to do with finding a string within a string, and the way they refer to them is the needle and a haystack. So the haystack is the word that you are going to be searching through, and the needle is the word you're going to be searching for. So I'm going to call this variable my haystack, and I'm going to make it equal to, I'm going to do it all in lowercase, grumpy wizards make toxic brew for the evil Queen and Jack. So that's the new version of the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So what I want to do is I'm going to use indexof to return the position of certain substrings. So first of all, I want to find where the word wizards appears. So I'm going to print this straight out. So system.out.print, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to say haystack, which is my big variable, dot indexof, and I'm going to pass it the word wizards. So if I run this, it tells me that it's at position 7. So if you go up to your string, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you notice that 7 is actually the space there. It's like arrays, it starts counting at 0. So if I was to type grumpy and run it, notice it starts at position 0. That means that it started right at the very beginning. If a word's not in there, so grind, that'll do. So if the word's not in there and I try to run it, it brings back -1. So there's a way of testing whether or not it's worked. I could write an if statement to say if this brings back greater than or equal to 0, print well done, your word's there, else print word not there, because it will only bring back -1 if it can't find the word. So there's how to make use of indexof to find a needle in a haystack, or a substring in a string. Okay, have fun.